Welcome to Mathematical Literacy Smart Tips. In this lesson, we're going to calculate the actual distance using the bar scale. Right, let's say we have Keith that is somersaulting from point A to point B. And then we're given the bar scale. And the instruction is calculate the actual distance from point A to point B using the bar scale. So remember what I said in the previous tutorial, you can never use a bar scale without measuring it. For you to be able to use a bar scale, you have to measure it. So let's measure this bar scale. So we can see that from this bar scale, 4 centimeters represent 20 meters. 4 centimeters represent 20 meters. So we can write that. So this is the distance on the map or on the diagram, and then this is the actual distance. All right, 4 centimeters is to 20 meters. That's what we get from the bar scale. Right, then let's measure the distance on the map. We have 12 centimeters. So now if the distance on the map then is 12 centimeters, what is the actual distance? On one side where I have the measurements on the map, and then I have one side where I have the actual measurements. Okay, and then we can use cross multiplication. Before we do cross multiplication, I want to show you another method. We're saying 4 centimeters is to 20 meters. Now find out what 1 centimeter will represent. So what you do, divide by 4 here and then divide by 4 there. What you do on the left, you do on the right. And then you can see that 1 centimeter is to 5 meters. Now, if you know that 1 centimeter is 5 meters, then you can find any centimeters. So now you want to find 12 centimeters. Okay, if 1 centimeter is 5 meters, what about 12 centimeters? It's going to be 12 times 5 or 5 times 12, which is 60 meters. So it means the actual distance here from A to B is 60 meters. But remember, I said you can also use cross multiplication. Right? So cross multiply 20 times 12. What is 20 times 12? That is 240. Okay? When you're cross multiplying, just ignore the units. Okay? And then 4 times actual, which is equal to 4 times actual, like this. The actual distance. And then to get the actual distance, divide by 4 on both sides of the equation, like this. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. We remain with the actual distance. And then 240 divided by 4, that is 60. So we see that the actual distance is 60 meters. That's how you can calculate the actual distance using the bar scale.